Hey guys, so wait, somebody's calling. Hello? Hi. I'm gonna put you on speaker real quick. Hold on. Okay, you're on speaker, ma'am.
Okay, are you Mocha Slime?
Yes, I am Mocha Slimes. Can I help you with something?
Yes. I would definitely like a large blue slime.
So
Like turquoise.
a jumbo teal turquoise slime? Okay. Anything else for you?
And some rainbow sides.
Hold on, I need to write this down.
Like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple.
We don't really have that. We have red, pink, brown, and teal right now.
I'll have all those.
All of those. Okay.
But just jumbo size.
So jumbo red, a jumbo pink, a jumbo brown, and a jumbo teal.
Yeah.
Okay.
And can we do a black too?
Sure. Jumbo or miniature? Jumbo. Okay. Thank you for calling Mocha Slimes. Your delivery will be sometime today.
Okay.
And what? Can I get your name?
My name is Kate Rogers.
Kate Ronalds? Is that what you said?
Ronald.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay guys, sorry. So as I am the slime scammer and I get money for like anything, I wrote down her receipt. She wanted a jumbo red, which is like $20. A jumbo pink, which is $10. A jumbo brown, which is $20. And jumbo brown is $10. Cool teal is $10. So in all, I believe that is $50. Yes. So she wanted a cool teal, and she told me that she hated sticky slime. And this stuff is like sticky to the max. So like, this is her container. I'm gonna put this stuff in there. She also wanted a jumbo red. I'm not giving her my jumbo red. My jumbo red took forever to make. So I'm just gonna give her this little bitty red. Doesn't even stretch. Doesn't even poke. And it has blue in it. That's what you get for buying online slime. Okay, so now she said she wanted jumbo pink. This is the jumbo pink. But I'm not giving her this slime. It's one of my favorites. I'm not giving it to her. There's no chance. So, I'm just going to give her... What should I give her? Like, what would be good for scamming? I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just take some of this and give it to her because I can make more. I'm giving her that for a jumbo. That's what she gets for ordering online slime. Put this in another cup. She wanted a jumbo brown. And then okay, that's it. And then, I'm just gonna give her a nice little extra. JK, I'm not giving her no extra. And you know what? This is her slime package. Get the lid. And I gotta go drop it off. She gave me her address, so I called her back. Sorry, that's my mom. She's talking. No, yeah. So now, guys, I got to go deliver this to her. So, let's go. So this is her slime package. So now I have to go. This is her slime package, and this is her house. So you just gotta put it outside her door and knock. And run away, run away, run away, run away, run away. Okay guys, so I'm back in my slime factory, and like she has the slimes at her house now, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna